Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss all the important formulas of current electricity. So please watch the video till the end. Okay, you will understand each and every formula. Okay, first formula, I is equal to dq by dt. So current is nothing but the rate of flow of charge. I is equal to dq by dt. J is nothing but current density. Current density is nothing but the current passing per unit area. J is equal to I by A. V is equal to W by Q. V is the potential, W is the work done, and Q is the charge. Okay, it is the amount of work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to infinity to one point. Yes or no? Okay, Vd is nothing but a drift velocity, that is equal to minus E tau by m, where E is the charge of electron. Okay, capital E is the electric field intensity, tau is the relaxation time, and m is the mass of electron. Next, I is equal to NEA Vd. N is the number of electrons, E is the charge of electron, A is the area of cross section, and Vd is the drift velocity. Okay, next Ohm's law formula, V is equal to IR. Okay, V is the potential difference, I is the current, R is the resistance. Or we have J is equal to sigma into E. J is the current density, sigma is the conductivity, E is the electric field. Okay, next formula, resistance is equal to rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the conductor, and A is the area of cross section. Next, resistors in series, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, resistors in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Kirchhoff's current law, summation of all the current at the junction is 0. Summation of I is equal to 0. KVL formula, okay, summation of all the potential and EMF in a closed loop is 0. So now, next Wheatstone Bridge principle, P by Q is equal to R by S. Power formula, power is equal to V into I, or I square R or V square by R. Okay, energy formula, energy is equal to P into T or V into I into T. Okay, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to how much? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay, Joule's law of heating formula, H is equal to I square RT, where H is the heat produced in the conductor, I is the current, R is the resistance of the conductor, and T is the time. Cells in series, when two cells are in series, okay, net EMF is equal to E1 plus E2, and R equivalent is equal to what? R1 plus R2. Okay, and what is the value of current? I is equal to NE by R plus NR, where R is the capital R is the external resistance, and R1 or R2 are what? Internal resistances, okay, of the cells. Cells in parallel, E equivalent is equal to E, and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. Yes or no? And when we talk about the current, I is equal to E upon R plus R by N. Okay, so these are the all important formulas of current electricity. I understood. I hope you understood all these formulas. Please practice once, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.